Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to install and set up private internet access, or PIA VPN on your iPhone. Short, upbeat intro music with Fix Zone logo animation. VPNs are a super important tool for protecting your online privacy and security. They encrypt your internet traffic and hide your IP address, making it much harder for anyone to track your activity. PIA is a popular and reliable option, and this guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more iPhone tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Transition to screen recording of an iPhone. First, we need to download the Private Internet Access app from the App Store. Show searching for Private Internet Access in the App Store. Just search for Private Internet Access. It's the one with the key icon. Tap Get, and then Install. You might need to use Face ID or your passcode to confirm the download. Fast forward the downloading and installation process. Alright, once the app is installed, tap Open. Open the PIA app. Now you'll be prompted to either create an account or log in if you already have one. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up on their website. The link will be in the description below if you need it. If the user selects Create Account, briefly explain that it's a simple process on their website. Return to the login screen in the app. I already have an account, so I'm going to tap Login. Enter login credentials. Blur out the username and password fields for privacy. Okay, after you log in, PIA will ask for permission to add VPN configurations. This is crucial for the VPN to work. Tap Allow. Tap Allow when the VPN configuration prompt appears. You might be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode or use Face ID again to authorize the VPN configuration. Use Face ID or enter passcode to authorize. Next, you'll likely see a notification asking you to allow PIA to send you notifications. This is up to you. I'm going to choose to allow them for this tutorial, but it's not essential. Tap Allow, or don't allow for notifications. Great. Now you're inside the PIA app. To connect to the VPN, simply tap the large power button in the center of the screen. Tap the power button to connect. It might take a few seconds to connect. Once connected, the button will turn green, and you'll see a VPN icon in your iPhone status bar at the top of the screen. Point out the green power button and the VPN icon in the status bar. That's it. You're now connected to the Private Internet Access VPN. Briefly show some settings within the PIA app, such as server location options. You can choose different server locations depending on your needs. Usually, connecting to a server closer to your actual location will give you the best speeds. Explore the settings to customize your VPN experience. When you're finished using the VPN, just tap the power button again to disconnect. Tap the power button to disconnect. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed and set up Private Internet Access VPN on your iPhone. Transition back to face-to-camera view, or static Fix Zone graphic. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide to getting PIA VPN up and running on your iPhone. Remember to use a VPN whenever you're on public Wi-Fi or want to protect your online privacy. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Fix Zone tutorials. And be sure to check out our other videos on iPhone security and privacy. Thanks for watching. Outro music and end screen with links to related videos and social media.